I want to give you a live look at the U.S. Supreme Court building in Washington, D.C. Justices today made several key rulings. Perhaps the most significant, upholding birthright citizenship and rejecting President Trump's executive order that sought to strip children of their U.S. citizenship if they were born in the U.S. to non-citizens. As WBZ's Christina Rex reports, while local immigration attorneys call this a victory, they say it is not the only issue they're fighting.
I think there's just a huge sigh of relief
among immigrants in Massachusetts. Tuesday, the Supreme Court upheld birthright citizenship, writing, held children born in the United States to parents unlawfully or temporarily present are citizens at birth under the 14th Amendment.
It is literally written in the 14th Amendment.
It's been the law since 1868. If you're born here, you are a citizen. Immigration lawyer Annalisa Rujo.
I'm relieved with the decision, but I am also cautious that it wasn't a unanimous decision.
The decision was 6-3.
It's scary because I think it says to me that nothing is off limits.
There is a major local tie. This lawsuit was brought by Massachusetts and other New England lawyers on behalf of some anonymous plaintiffs from New Hampshire. Local ACLU director Carol Rose.
This happened to be the case that made it all the way to the Supreme Court. And we're so glad that it did, because it was so important that we made sure that the rights of people in this country are protected.
It's not only about the rights of people with birthright citizenship, but any of their family members who are currently being deported.
Individuals who are not lawful permanent residents and who maybe entered the country without inspection but have been here for 10 years and are good people, they can apply for cancellation of removal, but they have to have a qualifying relative. So, for example, they have to have a U.S. citizen child.
These are clients of yours who the administration is trying to deport, who are applying to get that deportation canceled, yes. And part of the requirement is a U.S. citizen relative, like a birthright citizen child.
That's correct.
Okay.
That is exactly it.
And President Trump criticized this decision by the Supreme Court. Of course, they did rule that his executive order was unconstitutional. Now, in a post on Truth Social, he wrote, quote, "Too bad for our country," and he encouraged Congress to get to work with his support to end birthright citizenship. At the State House, Christina Rex, WBZ News.